proud of you, and I'm very proud of your hardworking teachers, your staff, everybody that is here. And this is amazing, as y'all have recently won a Gold Ribbon School of Excellence. This means you're one of the best schools in the entire state of Texas. What you as students have done is extraordinary. What your staff, the faculty at this campus has done is extraordinary.
My name is Jane Foley. I work at the Milken Family Foundation in Santa Monica, California. And over 35 years ago, a man named Lowell Milken created a program to honor outstanding educators. The program's called the Milken Educator Award. Do you want to know who it is? Yes! The Milken Educator Award goes to Juan Dominguez. Your principal, Dr. Walker.
Dr. Walker, on behalf of the state of Texas, I wanted to say thank you for your extraordinary work, but I don't want to just stop with recognition from me. Governor Abbott, he is so excited and so honored for you, and he wanted to also say thank you.
Juan, thank you so much for dedicating 11 years of your career to mentoring students and other teachers. Congratulations to Dr. Johnny Walker. Among your many accomplishments, you elevated Winona Middle School from an F to an A rating in just 2 years.
Wow, when I heard my name, I'm like, this can't be real. This can't be true. I mean, I've heard about the Milken Educator Award, but never would I have thought that I would be one of those to join this esteemed group of educators all across the nation. I'm still shaken up. I just can't believe that it's happened. It's amazing, absolutely.
One of the reasons I chose education is mainly because I struggled as a student growing up. The moment I went into the classroom as a substitute, I knew that it was something I could do for the rest of my life. It can make a difference in many of these kids' lives, specifically those that are a lot like me.
7 years ago, you were like, Mr. Walker, you need to be a Milken educator.
Yes.
It happened. It happened this morning. Can you believe that?